Good morning, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com, LearnCrypto.io. Want to get on here before the Fed announces at 1 o'clock Central Standard Time. Back on 9/1, right here as shown. Bitcoin was trading around 109 and change. I told you I thought we had 5 waves down on Elliott Wave. Our trusted technometer did get down to below 40 there briefly. And then on the low there on the first, really was trading around 42.5 or so. So I didn't get a strong technometer reading that I wanted, but we did use that as a chance to get long as shown. We're long from, 112.8 and 110.675. I was looking for an ABC rally up to 117.3. I mentioned that on the video. If you want to check that out, the overnight high was 117.286 at Binance. I was calling for 117.3, which really was this previous wave 2, which is normal for Elliott Wave. So 7 ABC, I think it was the WXY, which is ABC X ABC. But nevertheless, I gave a sell this morning at 116.360, I believe it was, somewhere up right around there. And now I'm looking for some type of sell-off. I think the Fed, if the Fed doesn't cut, I think we have a sell-off. If it does cut, maybe we rally and then have a sell-off. So I just think risk is a little bit high here. So I'm taking off this Bitcoin trade, booking some profits around 4.1% and going to sit on the sidelines. Another trade here I wanted to update because I mentioned this one various times was Tesla. Let's bring up the Tesla chart. That was a good one we did for our stock Discord. We were long here at 330 and some change. Have been setting on that, looking for a breakout above 367. We did get that yesterday. I did sell up there at 418.50, I believe it was. So once again, Tesla definitely has momentum behind it. That's why we jumped on it with our momentum scan. But again, I think markets are a little bit maybe overbought here, looking for a pullback. I'd like to buy this one cheaper. Would like to buy something back down here around 390-ish or something. If we would get that, we'll see how things set up. You can see the technometer down here at the bottom was overbought above 50. So again, book those profits and going to sit on the sidelines. Another trade we had was NU Holdings. That is one that we were looking for a breakout down there around 1370. We did sell that, you can see, 4 or 5 days ago. It has worked slightly higher, but we're not worried about that. I sold that looking for what maybe, if you understand Wyckoff labelings, maybe this is a jump, and we'll have a backup back down here to 1430, 1450. So it took profits there as well. So again, I think stock market definitely possibly a little overpriced and looking for a pullback. Ethereum, we are still long as well, down there 43.75, I believe it was. We have profits there as well, but not much to brag about. And technometer down here at 41 and change on Ethereum. So we're going to watch that one here maybe for the next few hours. Possibly might take profits there as well to stand aside in front of the Fed, but we'll wait and see. If you want these trades real time, patreon.com/learncrypto, or hire us to actually manage your crypto and stock assets. Stock assets we do through Charles Schwab. Crypto we do it through your exchange of your choice. Have a great day. Good luck after the Fed.